Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here now at work, waiting for the second client. We are done with the first client. And
Hi
we're
guys,
waiting.
we're waiting
And
for
this is my colleague.
minority and the majority is here already. You know that?
Minority and majority. Ano ka ba? Minority o majority?
Whatever.
Oh. While waiting, ito.
Let's eat. While waiting
Let's eat.
for the other client, let's eat. It's
Yeah.
yummy, Marty's.
Marty's.
You know what is Marty's? Marty's
Nagpo-promote ka?
Cracklin. Oh, see?
Oh, masarap daw
it's
yan.
delicious. Yum, yum.
Oh.
Let's eat. Let's eat.
Sige, kain lang. Yeah. Right now, I am actually attending a seminar, online seminar. See this? Seminar for safety officer 2. Online. See, nakikinig ako. Tapos, ayun naman yung ano ko. Yan. So, screenshot. So, I know what is the topic and what they are discussing. Ayun, while waiting, dito lang kami. Miss you all guys. Bye-bye.